Welcome back to the Best Reviews channel. Today, we're exploring 5 feature-packed smart toilets designed to bring comfort, hygiene, and modern convenience to your bathroom. From heated seats and automatic flushing to advanced bidet systems and deodorization technology, these models offer a wide range of smart features. Let's get started. Number 5. The CANEST Smart Toilet. The CANEST is a modern one-piece smart bidet toilet built for convenience and efficiency. It features a dual flush system with water-saving options, a comfortable ADA-compliant chair height seat, and a built-in foam shield designed to help reduce splashing and odors. The toilet includes automatic lid opening and closing, instant warm water for bidet functions, a self-cleaning nozzle, heated seat, warm air dryer, and an integrated deodorization system. Additional features such as Eco Mode and powerful dual siphon flushing technology make it a sophisticated addition to modern bathrooms. Number 4. The BONSAM Smart Toilet. Designed with accessibility and family-friendly operation in mind, the BONSAM Smart Toilet combines touchless convenience with advanced hygiene features. It offers automatic lid opening and closing, auto-flushing, warm water cleansing, a heated seat, and a warm air dryer. A self-cleaning nozzle helps maintain cleanliness, while radar sensing and foot kick activation provide hands-free operation. The unit also includes a remote control, deodorization functions, and an LED night light, creating a comfortable and user-friendly bathroom experience. Number 3. The Casta Diva Smart Toilet. This premium smart toilet combines advanced functionality with elegant design. It features automatic lid operation, foot sensor controls, and a powerful 1000-gram map-rated flushing system. The built-in foam dispenser helps improve cleanliness and splash protection, while the heated seat, instant warm water wash system, and warm air dryer add comfort. One of its standout features is the artistic ambient lighting system with waterfall-inspired effects and smart display integration. The toilet also operates quietly and includes multiple cleaning modes, deodorization technology, and touchless controls. Number 2. The EPLO X9 Smart Toilet. The EPLO X9 is a luxury one-piece smart toilet designed with both style and automation in mind. It features an elongated bowl, automatic lid operation, dual auto-flush modes, and a built-in foam shield system for improved odor and splash control. Comfort features include a heated seat, instant warm water washing, warm air drying, and a self-cleaning nozzle. An LED temperature display and smart night light enhance usability, while foot sensor controls provide hands-free convenience. The powerful flushing system and blackout flush capability ensure reliable performance even during unexpected situations. Number 1. The HOROW T38 Smart Toilet. The HOROW T38 combines advanced bidet functionality with powerful flushing performance. Its built-in water tank and pump are designed to maintain strong flushing even in areas with lower water pressure. The toilet features automatic lid opening and closing, instant warm water washing, adjustable bidet settings, a heated elongated seat, and a warm air dryer. Additional features include deodorization technology, a digital display, night lighting, and efficient dual flush operation. Its sleek one-piece design and smart functionality make it a modern centerpiece for contemporary bathrooms. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. Let us know in the comments which of these smart toilets caught your attention. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.